Morning, welcome to Hardy Classics again, and today I want to show you this beautiful 1967 Morris Minor pickup in grey with a lovely canvas tilt. It's a great little thing, it's just come in and it's coming up for sale. It's one of these cars where I thought I could use this, I could keep this one myself. I'm going to buy a lot of cars like that I think, should I sell it, should I keep it? This one's really nice. It's had a really good restoration at some point in its life. When we bought it, obviously you find faults with stuff, especially when somebody else has restored it. But it's lovely. It's lovely on those little white wheels. The wheels have obviously been refurbished at some time. The tyres are really good. The underneath of the truck is amazing. Chassis is good, floors are good, everywhere is good. And that's reflected in the price. I've seen these cars £10,000, but you'd have to double that and a bit more to get it in this sort of condition. Moving around the car, it's got a lovely canvas tilt on the back, and I think the colour matches the grey bodywork. I think it's fantastic. You know, it's hard to believe that in the 1960s and that you'd see these all over the place. You know, they were a staple little vehicle for your builders and your water boards, your local councils. I mean, this one's got a tow bar fitted, but I wouldn't like to think you could pull anything with that. In the back, it's as good as the front. Underneath, anywhere you want to look on this truck is beautiful. It's perfect. There is minor blemishes here and there because it's a workhorse. In the back there's a spare wheel, a nice drop-down tailgate there. You can sit on there and get your dinner. The pickup trucks probably didn't last as long as the vans because they were really abused. So it was slightly rarer. Moving around the truck, you can see the paintwork, the bodywork, the chrome work. The chrome's really good. I think we put a new set of door handles on. The ones we got were pitted. Changed the seat belts in it. I don't think it had any seat belts anyway. I think we put some seat belts in it. Did bits and pieces. There's the tyres. The chrome on the hubcaps is good. It's got the little eyelashes on the front of the headlights at the front. Again, it just makes it look nice with the spotlight and badges. You might notice the chrome mirrors, they're not the right ones for the vehicle. But again, the guy who restored it has obviously fitted those, and they do look nice. It adds a bit more bling with the chrome. Moving inside the vehicle, just show you inside here, just the quality of it. The seats are good. We put new door cards on. The door cards had been painted over. When the vehicle had a respray, there was a bit of overspray on it, so we tidied them up. We put new seat belts on, like I've just said. A nice close-up of the bodywork there, just to show you the standard of the restoration. People must have been a lot smaller in them days. You know, get two people in the front of that cab, two workmen in the front of that cab today, you'd be struggling. There's the headline, and it's a new headlining that we put in. Back to the dashboard, it's been nicely painted there. The little parcel shelf underneath, we've renewed that. That was hanging down. So there was quite a few little bits of odds and sods we've done. Just to tidy it up, just to bring it up nice. 67,000 on the clock. I doubt if it's genuine, who knows, you know. Obviously the engine's been reconditioned. I very much doubt you'd have carpenters cleaning the work van back then, but there you go. And the passenger side, just the same. The one thing that is missing off it that we haven't put on is the vehicle identification plate. Usually on the passenger side door they'd have a one. We've had a few vans and pickups before, and we've had them on, but this one, when we changed the door cards, we didn't bother putting it back on. There's the seats. There's no rips or tears in the seats. Like I say, I doubt in the day you'd see a van like this. It's clean with, on a local authority or water board or council or whatever. We'll pull the bonnet up and have a look under the bonnet. And under the bonnet, it's just as nice as the outside of the car, really. There's a little A-series lump. I'm not sure. I think this one's 800cc. I'm not 100%. But under the engine bay, it's tidy. The inner wings are really good. The wiring's nice and tidy. As you can see, we've fitted a period battery there. It's a brand new period battery, which I think sets the engine bay off, makes it look more authentic. As you can see, there's the engine, all nicely painted, but not overdone because it was done quite a while ago. So it's just aged nice. I mean, you're never going to break any speed records with it, but they're renowned for reliability. So there you go, beats the key. All these old commercials and vans and cars that I seem to have really good starters compared to modern cars. So if you want to come and have a look at this, come and view it, test drive it, whatever you want to do, give us a ring, send us an email, and keep watching me YouTube. Bye bye now.